head to New Jersey first, where Masks Need initiative of Knit Crochet with Love has made and distributed hundreds of masks to the doctors and nurses of the community who are working day and night to save thousands of affected lives in New Jersey. Let's have a look. Knit Crochet with Love is a New Jersey volunteer-based non-profit organization with a mission to donate hand-knitted crocheted caps and blankets to cancer centers across USA and abroad.
It's really great to see the entire Basking Ridge community coming together and working in unison. The Knit Crochet with Love, the charity that we had, Sutabai and I worked together to make chemo caps for cancer patients, and that's why you're seeing all the yarn in the background. Here we are in Basking Ridge making fabric masks for people in need. These masks are going to hospitals and doctors who need it at the most. We have been getting requests from the doctors to make masks. It all started with a request from a friend to make 8 masks, and now we have an order of more than 500 masks. These fabric masks can be used in conjunction with the approved mask. The pattern for the mask was obtained online. We are following one of the blogs. The pattern was modified to suit our needs, and we cut out a template. The members are using the template, cutting it.
We're so grateful to have such wonderful members and volunteers who always jump in to help us in any form they can. At this time, we'd also like to thank TV Asia and Pankaj for showcasing our Burnets community who are fighting together to combat this COVID crisis.
Recently, during the times, this pandemic, they have started a new initiative in New Jersey to make masks, as the need for masks all over is extremely high.
We are coming together as a community in a really grand way. I am also extremely happy about the fact that I am working at this with my family. My 2 teenagers are hanging out with me. My husband is doing all the errands, and together as a family we're doing good. There's nothing better than that.
My mom and I decided to get involved in this project because we wanted to help out our community in this time of need, because we're all in this together and we should all do our part.
Every household needs a muscle. I'm happy to help in whichever way I can. I think our doctors and healthcare workers are doing a phenomenal job. We need to support them as much as we can. Thank you all. Stay safe.
I'm a middle school teacher. I actually teach sewing and culinary arts. We decided then it would be easier if we had a how-to video for beginners. So my daughter and I set to work. My son Carmine's quite talented. He was able to edit the video rather quickly and post it on YouTube. We have family and friends that are doctors and nurses on the front lines, and they're making personal sacrifices to help us, and we wanted to give back. We're all in this together after all.
With the help of their members, they have donated to local hospitals. Thus far, they have made more than 200 masks for the doctors and nurses, helping them to combat the virus.
We got to cut 130 masks in one afternoon. We sent back to Richa so they could sew.
When the ladies at KCWL requested for masks to be made for the professionals in the front line, medical professionals in the front line, me and my son jumped right in. We were glad to help. Because of him helping me, we were able to produce 21 masks yesterday, and we are hoping to achieve the similar, if not more, target today.
Masks for some health organizations because we are in such dire shortage of masks for our healthcare workers. Many of our members have gotten together and we have been sewing these masks. My job is the last part in the process. After everyone has made these masks and sewn them, put them together, they come to me and I will put these elastics on them, and once that is done, we will ship them off.
And I'm very, very proud to be part of this initiative, that we are trying to do our best in these times of uncertainty and fear. We are maintaining social distancing in our effort to try to flatten the curve.
I've been helping cut the masks and also I've been self-quarantining, so both trying to make sure that I help stop the spread of the virus.
I've been trying to help out as much as I can, trying to stop the spread and trying to get this time over with, but at the same time trying to help as many people we can.
Knit Crochet with Love was asked to make fabric masks for several doctors. They wanted approved fabric masks with pockets that can be used with a disposable filter or wax paper. Doctors are using them for the purpose they feel fit in the hospitals.
So glad we're doing this as a family.
I love helping out.
I'm very proud to be associated with KCWL in their noble endeavor to make and supply masks to the hospital in this time of need. We can weather the storm together if we each do our share.
We decided that we could take the skills we learned from our upcycling project and kind of apply them to contributing to this cause as well. This is a group of just some of the masks that we've made.
Well, I just feel glad that we can be part of something like this, like helping so many people, because in a few years we're all going to look back at this and think, like, what did we do? Like, what could we have done? And I think this is like an important initiative that really helps people a lot.
Yeah, reading about the articles here and from New York, it just seems like none of the doctors in any of these hospitals have proper equipment. And if we want people to keep on being treated, then our doctors have to be safe. So it's nice that we're able to protect people like this and make masks that really support a lot of communities.
For me, sewing these masks is the least I can do to support our brave healthcare providers. In times like these, use your talents to make a difference in the world.
Not just women, but also small kids with youth have come together to help fight against this deadly virus, and this organization is playing the noble part to help the community at large.
Let's head to Atlanta, Georgia, where volunteers on wheels